Good morning in YouTube land. Another weekend, another beautiful day. Today we're bringing some race seats to my brother-in-law. About time he gets these in his car. The kid's been working his ass off on his 240. I'm gonna go check it out, meet up with him. He's gonna talk about his car. So let's see if I can fit these into the 8.6.
Today's the first day you get to meet my girlfriend, Jessie. She's a huge part of my life, and she's a big part of the reason that I can do what I do, because she just lets me be me. She supports everything I do. She's always there for me. She's always helping out, and I don't know what I'd do without her. She's a little camera shy right now, so I'm hoping that with time she's gonna get used to talking to the camera and stuff and become a regular part of this show, my vlogs, whatever you want to call it. She's a real car girl. She's not the look at me standing next to a car in high heels. She's actually the look at how dirty my hands are because I just did a motor swap on a Camaro or something. She's got some cars too. Anyway, with time, she'll get better at it. But now your camera shy. See, look, she can't look at the camera. She can't look. Look. Let's go get some food. Things are gonna change. I can feel it.
So not breakfast of champions.
Thought we were on a diet or something. Happened to our eating healthy. Was it like cheat week this week?
All week. Yeah.
Okay, come inside, sir.
Okay, bye.
He's home.
Yeah.
What is this?
Another project.
Yuck. So we made it hanging out at my brother-in-law's garage. This is Jamie's place. This is his project car.
It's gonna be another busy car day.
240 SX. Sounds like some other people might be coming down. If all goes well, it's gonna be running in a few short weeks, and looks like I got somebody to go to the racetrack with. Let's go meet Jamie.
They machine them out of OEM parts, so they just refresh the edge, and then they take stock ones, and then they just port the turbo line into it. They give you an option for your coolant, your temp sensor, and then you order all braided lines. Hopefully that's gonna fix that. Piping is all finished now, the intercooler setup's done, and the blow-off sleeve will be actually like on the ground down here from this side. Parts going on and off, but I got everyone. The truck, the Nissan, he put one in his hard body. He wants to get one for his S13, and he ordered his. He's gonna get his new seat for his Beamer. Everyone is running for this stuff. You just have to plan, get a battery box, some sort of battery box set up, and oh, did you see what I did to your rims? Color match to the car, black faces. I mean, I was bored and I had to paint, so nice. It's the same blue as the car, and then that's all. Those are all 15s. And there's more coming. It's just tires to use 15s. Strip everything down to primer, even the sides.
What kind of coil is on it?
HSD. He said these are really solid for drift or just being hard on the knees. But he thinks his car reviews and we never had issues with them. They're always solid. So just open the entire bumper, added a bar with brackets to make mounts to hold it since it's such a heavy intercooler. When you made me that H bracket for my other intercooler to set up for the bottom, you reused the bottom skid plate part is actually just, you opened it and reused. The length was fine, but the size changed. So we opened it and used the bottom brackets and then just made this on the top, welded it across. Also with the angle of the intercooler, It kind of gives me a bit more ground clearance. I get to just put it back down. It fits with the bumper, and I wasn't wanting to rub that on the ground.
It's all one-piece piping?
Yeah, the guy sent me pictures last night. He just finished everything. The filter should fit under here. The piping on this comes up the side. There's like literally half the bumper cut off the face.
Really opened up that front end, eh?
Oh, the whole thing. Slap it on the car quick, and then you have nothing but intercooler as a bumper. Just pure intercooler.
It looks really good. I'm like super impressed, honestly. Like,
a lot of people too tell like they ask and they see stuff too. It's gonna be pretty impressive. All the parts, everything's custom made, everything's aluminum, everything. I'm just hoping it works because I'm pulling in all the big guns, anyone I can get, and budget build in the garage. And
So, Shawn's here now. Let's go meet Shawn. Hi, Shawn.
I'm working on my 1997 Nissan hardbody. Leaving the coolant right now. Just had a heater core change. Now it needs all new coolant.
going for a ride?
Yeah.
Oh!
But yeah, I didn't do a lot of big things this year to it, but it was mostly small things like 3 new drive shaft yokes, the carrier bearing, differential fluid, transmission fluid. Rims, 4 new tires. New mirrors, whatnot, but I haven't really done the big things. Like this spring, it's going to get new spring bushings and it'll be getting a brand new windshield as well. It's cracked right across. Then in the future, definitely needs a timing chain. You can hear it right now.
So what do you think the problem is then?
I think thermostat's bad.
Yeah?
Sadly, your wheel's so different. But at least I have one. It's an easy fix. It's just more time.
I really like the shift knob too, like this.
And the horn is even set up. Doesn't work.
Hold on.
It was working. There it is. It was actually really easy to do with the NRT hub. Just have to actually take the wire from the airbag wire that originally plugs into your corn button from the clock spring. Take that one wire and I ran it up here, epoxied it to the column. So it actually sits on the back of the column and it's just a bare wire. Rubs the back of the hub perfectly as I rotate the wheel, and it constantly keeps the horn working.
What are we doing next weekend on your car?
Probably gonna end up taking the turbo off completely again. Running braided lines on the turbo, changing the water neck. The piping still fits properly. It should. They're both OEM, just modified. There should be no more problems with the system. I have enough parts now. I could change the oil. I have all the filters, the oil, mostly every fluid. So maybe, I don't know, it's getting ahead of myself. Bleed the brakes, do all the fluids, do everything. But as much as I can, I gotta crunch time this car.
Well, that was a pretty cool day. Something I noticed is that watching these videos after I post them, I haven't been like giving a closing statement. So that's kind of leaving all you guys hanging. That's not cool. I wouldn't want to be left hanging. So I'm gonna start doing that. So that's what this is about. You got to meet Jamie, you got to meet Shawn. Figured out a lot of stuff today that we're gonna do. Now we gotta get Jamie's 240 done in time to get to that racing school. Got like 6 weeks to get that ready. Do a little bit of work on Shawn's truck. He's gonna lug around our stuff for us. So that's it for today. And now Jesse and I are going back home because apparently today she decided to totally destroy our get healthy thing. We're gonna go and enjoy that. You guys enjoy the video. Stay happy.